Hello, friends. Welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about determining unknown whole numbers, and we're going to be doing this by looking at multiplication and division problems. So first, we're going to go ahead and look at this number talk template, and we see an equation that reads 28 equals blank times 7, and we know it's multiplication because it has a times sign or multiplication sign, but it reads kind of funny, right? So we're going to go ahead and flip it around and read it how we usually would. So we're going to go ahead and read it 7 times blank equals 28. So what times 7 equals 28? Well, we know that 7 times 3 equals 21, right? Well, 21 is really close to 28, so what if I do 7 times 4? Well, 7 times 4 does equal 28. So our answer is going to be 4. How do we know this? We know this because 4 times 7 equals 28. And what was our strategy? Well, we knew that 21 was 3 times 7, so we just made 4 times 7 and got 28, right? So we just plugged in different numbers. Okay, and then we have a division problem that reads blank divided by 6 equals 4. So a little strategy that we can use when we are trying to find the missing number in a multiplication or division problem, especially division, is we can flip the operations. So since we have a division problem here and a big number is being divided into a smaller number, right? So this number is going to be bigger than the 6, and it's also going to be bigger than the 4. So if we look and we do 6 times 4, we're going to get this number over here, right? Because division and multiplication are opposite operations. So we can do 6 times 4, and we're going to get 24, okay? So our answer is 24. How do we know this? We know this because 6 times 4 equals 24. And what was our strategy? Well, we used inverse operations. We flipped the operations around. Now let's go ahead and do it together. I'm just going to go ahead and write through them, and if you guys want, you guys can pause this video and work through the problems either in your head or on a scratch piece of paper. Okay, so 6 times blank equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. And then we have 9 times blank equals 36. And we know it's not going to be the 5 because it's not divisible by 5. We know it's not going to be 2 because it's not 18. So 9 times 4 equals 36. And then we have blank times 3 equals 15. Well, 15 is divisible by 5, and I see 5. And it's not a 1 or a 0, so let's do 5 times 3 equals 15, which it does. And then we have blank times 7 equals 49. Well, if we remember from our multiplication facts, we know that 49 is divisible by 7 and a 7. So it has a double, like it's 7 times 7. It's a double factor, right? So 7 times 7 equals 49. Great job. And now we're going to go ahead and look at division problems. So we have 35 divided by 5, and that's going to equal 7. We have 50 divided by 5, which is going to equal 10, because 5 times 10 equals 50, right? We have 70 divided by blank equals 10, and this is really similar to this last problem, but it's going to be 7, because 7 times 10 equals 70. This is a great way to check yourself, is to go back and do the inverse operation, okay? And then the next one is really similar also. It's 40 divided by blank equals 10, and that's going to be 4. Then we have 6 divided by 3, which is just a regular division problem, and that's going to equal 2. And we have blank divided by 7 equals 5, and that's just like the one we previously did on the last page. So we could do 7 times 5, and that's going to equal 35. Okay? And now on the next page, great job, I have a game that I would like you guys to play and try it on your own. It's 10 problems. It's just going to quiz you, but I think it's really fun, and I think you guys will enjoy it. And so the link will be linked below, and have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.